Book of Heaven, Volume 11, January 10, 1917. How Sanctity is Formed of Little Things. This morning, my lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, sanctity is formed of little things. So, one who despises the little things cannot be holy. It would be like someone who despises the little grains of wheat, which, as many of them are united together, form the mass of the wheat. And by neglecting to unite them, he would cause the necessary and daily nourishment for the human life to be lacking. In the same way, one who neglected to unite many little acts together would cause the nourishment of sanctity to be lacking. And just as one cannot live without food, in the same way, without the food of the little acts, the true shape of sanctity and the mass sufficient to form sanctity would be lacking.